Hello guys, we're here today with another unboxing from Louis Vuitton. Today we have a special bag that I want to show you guys. It is a vintage piece. It is called the Louis Vuitton Monogram Excursion bag. It is a bag solely used to carry shoes. It's not too big, it's a very good sized bag. Here are the handles, the gold trims, the brown monogram canvas. I'll show you guys what the inside looks like. The beige interior. Super clean. This came out long ago, guys, in the 90s. You put your shoes in here. Price range goes around $800, $900 right now. They don't sell this in stores anymore, of course. So you have to buy secondhand. But here are the zippers. Super cool piece.